I was in class with his younger brother.
If you feel any sexual attraction for that other jellyfish, that is abnormal and bizarre.
I'd like to say thank you to Michael Winslow for the point.
Is it worth a lot? It's got to be worth a lot.
Well, this is a bloody bag of money.
Very good.
Josh had 13 points, Zach 11, and Brennan 14.
We're still doing it? Oh.
Yep. Nope. Bye.
See, chose me in a way.
Well, it's funny you'd say that because, I also feel that,
We know all the animals.
We know all the animals.
Without my services, you will have a bad time. But with my services, you'll have a good time.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Hey!
Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Hey! Hey!
Whoa!
But she's a jolly good fellow.
Josh, let's hear what you got.
That wasn't it yet. All right, ready? All right, no problem.
Hello.
Hey, Phoebe, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. Listen, I just wanted to say that I love you.
Aw. Thank you. I love you too. Just a normal phone call I always get.
That is a point for Zach. Well done, Zachary.
Thank you. I'll talk to you. I'll see you soon. Love you. Bye.
Pum 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 pum. Pum 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 pum. Hi guys. Ding 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 ding. Gang 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 gang. Ding ding ding. Blum blum. Pum blum blum blum. Ding ding.
The tooth fairy fucks up the whole routine.
Give me your teeth.
Josh. Which is?
Oh, it's pretty straightforward. It's get the attention of the waiter, then it's right away, and then egg, and I'm grateful.
So it's really just eggs.
I think you misunderstand. It's an advanced way to order for my eggs. Fucking got this, okay? Shush.
If you laugh through this, it's
All
not
right.
your point.
I know, I understand. Here's a frog coming right up. Everyone, shush. Bryn, stop. Pressure's on. Okay, only 6 seconds left. All right, ready?
Where did you get 6 seconds?
Shush! Just shush.
No clock.
Lower third, dude. Shush.
Feels stupid to leave Chester Heights with nothing but a bag of bagels.
Nothing but a bag of bagels? Why, the whole world's a bag of bagels.
Josh, it's not you! It's not your turn! So delicately upon the jet streams of the cerulean sky, welcome to Spirit Airlines.
And I pre-put all the straws in.
You pre-put all of the straws?
It's my least favorite part of juice boxes. And so I do it ahead of time so I can reward myself later for the good NASA job I did. What's this?
lest we crash into the mountainside and verily thou skull is split upon the dining tray before thee. Also, thou shalt notice 2 emergency exits.
Activate the left hand. Left hand. I said, nope, you gotta go back. Gotta do it all over. So put it all back. Put it all back.
Fuck. Sorry. Excuse me. Can you? Well, I got it. Fuck. Sorry. Shit. That guy.
Let's see what Zach has to offer. Zach, as a reminder, your sound is.
But the sea manifests through the physique of a pretty hot-bodied woman with the face of a fucking whale.
Sorry, was the face proportional to what a whale's face size would be?
Oh no, come on, girl.
It's definitely more like this. Hello?
Is my client a perfect man? No.
I killed him, yeah.
911? I'm in a different country.
Okay, there's not a whole lot we're gonna do about that. Ow!
I'm not sure that we're gonna be able to do anything about it, but it was cool hanging.
I'm 36 years old.
I am 35. Zach?
I'm 31 as of the recording of this.
Brennan?
I'm also 31.
Well, they did the one about the bridge.
This is about a tunnel.
Okay.
In debt. I'm in debt. I'm in serious debt. I'm in serious debt. Hey, money. I'm in serious debt.
Eyeball. Eyeball part. It's the eyeball part.
Zach, I'm.
Please, Lauren, please. She had a meeting at 9.
Hi, neighbor.
Golf. Golf.
Hi, neighbor.
Golf.
Ow, my back.
Golf.
Ow, my back. Honey, where are my keys?
Turn that down.
Fireball.
Ow, my back.
Rip it.
Stop shaking your cock in the middle of the fucking huddle, dude.
Yes. Well, what do you want me to do? I'm stressed out. Last advice. I'm not an ATM.
Helmet, beep.
We got about 15 minutes to jam out.
Yeah, let's hear what you got.
Any good vibes we pass Aaliyah's way.
Yeah, you don't want to make a child cry. On national television.
When's the last time you had a towel in?
So what seems to be the issue? Is it...
It's your issue,
What?
Very well done, Zach.
Babe, it's me. I need you to call me back and say you love me, please.
This is dim sum place around the corner.
We got it?
Please wait while your conference call is waiting to connect. You press 2 to be driven mad upon the rock.
I am infinite, but I do not have the most time.
Brennan,
Extra aged.
extra age being.
Chicken.
That just sounds like an anxious 50-year-old man slurping noodle sauce.
The fuck is noodle sauce?
It's the velvety.
Fuck is noodle sauce?
Back out of there, man.
I accept every person exactly as they are. You've got to relax.
We get one personal item.
No, you don't.
Absolutely. Everyone close their frickin' mouths. I mean eyes and mouths.
Then again, express yourself.
Validating that point, sort of reaffirming it.
Brennan's
Get me in there.
originally
Get me in there.
Oh,
Let me have a shot at this.
Zach, okay, you have your shot.
Whatever,
Okay.
man.
If I had known this was going to be the no holds barred elbow throwing massacre this has turned into, I would have played the start of this game very differently.
Yeah, good to eyes.
You're coming in with the Wi-Fi. Something like a problem that
McDonald's.
Shasta.
Savory. And horse and buggies.
Dr. Evelyn Lasagna.
God, Brendan, it's not the extra credit show. It's make animal sounds.
Come on, dude. I got places to be.
Josh has to leave in 4 minutes.
Too many hamburgers. No.
Hello, my sweet baby. My corn child.
Cow.
No problem.
Cow.
Basically, what we're trying to do is like combine long form and short form improv. The other 7 guys on my team, Chris, Mike, Matt, Chris, Matt, Scully, who's fucking crazy, and Matt, they're like extremely funny dudes. This date's going well.